Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, Sangster International Airport has confirmed that a woman died on Sunday at the airport shortly after arriving. The woman was reportedly being conveyed by a wheelchair agent who noticed that she was having an emergency. Well, my wisdom warriors, they never go in for say a this and that and how and why. You know them a keep this one quiet. Then I load up the thing. We wouldn't like to know exactly what goes wrong, but if Holy passengers never did it, nobody never see or know the thing set already. But we would really like to know what exactly happened. They only come out and tell we this. You understand? They only come out, my wisdom warriors, and just tell we say after she arrived, then the wheelchair agent noticed that she was having an emergency. What type of emergency are you talking about? You know? The public need to know all these things. The public need to know all these things. But you know what, my wisdom warriors? I have a strong feeling the same thing would take place the last time with that demand, the twin man, and the same thing happen. You don't have to agree with me, me just tell you now when me believe. I have a strong feeling. Me never say that happening, but me have a strong feeling, my wisdom warriors. So that's why we not hear nothing else. But if them come out with any more information, definitely I will update you guys. Some of all you probably know that today is our Heroes Day. So let me just say, Happy Heroes Day, Jamaica. The first National Heroes Day in Jamaica was on October 20, 1969. It was held in honor of the Jamaican stalwarts who shed blood, sweat and tears to ensure that the people of our country would enjoy a life of freedom as now exists. Today, we honor these brave souls who shape our nation's history and inspire generations. From the iconic figures of the past to the unsung heroes of today, we unite in gratitude and celebration. My wisdom warriors, let us all join Jamaicans in celebrating not only individuals, but also the spirit of resilience, unity, and the unwavering Jamaican pride that runs through our veins. My wisdom warriors, wanna see why we celebrate our heroes? Wanna see the reason why we celebrate our heroes, my wisdom warriors? There's a reason why we celebrate them, We celebrate them because them shed blood, sweat, and tears. I want to remember, Jamaica. A lot, you have all heap of youth, obviously. They never ban them ban now, and maybe some of them don't even care about them, not even understand. It was our brave souls that pushed through, make we are here today. Yeah, man, it was our brave souls that fight for us. I want to know, I want to know and understand. This is why when you see me come out, and some people probably I wonder how my son so. I'm very passionate about what I do, my wisdom warriors. I am a very passionate person. You understand me? And me like to speak up for my Jamaican people. Guess what? Me have to stand up for my people because our ancestors stand up for we. Our ancestors stand up for we, for we the future. So why we not stand up for our future children? I want to think about that. Labor right to gather over here. I want to think about that. Our ancestors shed blood, sweat, and tears to ensure that the people make sure so we of our country would enjoy life of freedom. today dear. So why don't we do that for our future children? That may I ask you know. Why we not do that? We see how the whole place are run right now. We see say the whole government is corruption, is corrupted. They breed corruption, they eat corruption, they drink corruption, they sleep corruption. But we have to make a stand. We have to make a stand, Jamaica. But are we making a stand? Look into yourself. Just look into yourself. Look around us and ask yourself, are we making a stand? Come on. Don't be die-hearted. This is not about die-heartedness. This is about our children's future. It's not about die-heartedness. You understand? We can't give up. Our ancestors never give up, you know. Our ancestors never give up. So why should we give up? You get me, wisdom warriors? Why should we give up? Why should we give up? Somebody have to make a stand. Just like how me out here speaking all the time. A whole heap of time people send death threats to me. You understand? Whole heap of time. Not only to me alone, but other bloggers. But guess what? We still a pull through. Yeah, man. We still a pull through because somebody have to make a stand. Somebody have to. But again, I just want to say Happy Heroes Day to Jamaica. My wisdom warriors, take in Mark Golden. Mark Golden posted this on his page saying, today we celebrate the bravery and vision of our national heroes whose sacrifices have shaped the Jamaica we know and love. They fought for justice, equality, and the rights of every citizen to live in a free and democratic society. On this Heroes Day, let us not only honor their legacy, but also challenge ourselves to follow in their footsteps. I like this speech, Marky G. I really do. Standing up for what's right, working to uplift each other, and continuing the journey towards a better future for all Jamaicans. What me just said to my wisdom warriors. What me just said to Uno. We have to make a stand. We have to make a stand and follow in the footsteps of our heroes. To the everyday heroes who strengthen our communities and inspire hope, we see you and appreciate your contributions. Wanna hear that? I like this part a lot. To the everyday heroes who strengthen our communities and inspire hope, we see you and appreciate your contributions. Wanna know what that mean? Even the man who go feed all the homeless. Even the man who go feed all the homeless, my wisdom warriors, is a hero. You didn't know that. You have all that lady, what's her name? Miss Donna. Even she do a lot. She do a lot. You understand me? She do a lot, my wisdom warriors. And guess what? What due to Caesar, you just have to give it to Caesar. Seriously. So when I hear them, I say to the everyday heroes who strengthen our communities and inspire hope, we see you and we appreciate your contribution. This is coming from Honorable Mark Golden, my wisdom warriors. Yes, our future Prime Minister. I bet that the one they can't chat like this. That the one they not think about everyday heroes. May I tell you now, that the next one day, criminal organization, 28 bank account. Don't think about everyday heroes. Serious thing, me I tell you now. So you see, this speech is a great speech. And me like it. And in the end, he finish it by saying, Happy Heroes Day. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this.
Humility must be humble, must be humble, must always be humble. There is no place for arrogance in the party that I lead. And anybody that is arrogant over the people must get out of leadership. The only one that is fit to lead is the one that walks hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder, equal with the people, loving with the people. That's why I don't want no big flashy motor car. I don't want nobody in my party go with flashy clothes. I dress simple and I drive in a simple little car because we must walk with the people. The day we think we're bigger than the people, we have no business to lead. He must inspire by example. And above all, he must have integrity. Integrity. Integrity.
And that's why we want Andrew Holness to lift up from out the House of Parliament, because he's an arrogant man and he no walk hand to hand with the people. He doesn't. Pure lying spread, pure propaganda. A first we ever see this in a history, my wisdom warriors. Somebody like Andrew Holness must pack him bag and go. I don't understand why is he still there. Who give him the authority to still be in Parliament? Who give him that authority? A man that is under ongoing investigation for how many years now? How many years, my wisdom warriors? And true, because things never work out in a film way, he come out and I be prejudiced against the Integrity Commission. How dare you do that, Andrew Holness? How dare you do that? How dare you do that? You not have no regards towards the Jamaican people. You have to go because you're an arrogant man. You don't walk hand to hand with the people. You don't. You don't. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. I want to run over to my next channel. My next channel is a new channel that I just created. I will be putting all the People's National Party ministers' work on that channel. Their daily news, my wisdom warriors. So anything them do over there, so me I go fling it. So guys, wanna just get me to 1K. Anyway, you can go over to my IG, to my TikTok, to my X and follow me. The link I go also there in the comment section. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Thank you guys for your love and support. It means the world to me. Blessings upon blessings. One love.